original Naruto creator Masashi Kishimoto will be taking over the Boruto Naruto Next Generation manga. Yes guys, I also didn't knew about this from the start, that I actually thought that Masashi Kishimoto is actually writing the Boruto manga, and when I got this news that Masashi Kishimoto is taking over the Boruto manga, I was like, what is this? Does that mean Masashi Kishimoto wasn't writing Boruto manga? And yeah, that was actually true. Masashi Kishimoto wasn't writing the manga. The sequel series originally began with supervision from Kishimoto, but the writing duties were handled by Yuko Kodachi and illustrated by Mikio Ikemoto. The series has since released 51 chapters under the observation of Kishimoto, and the writing duties held by these two people, but now it will be heading into a brand new territory, as the original manga creator of the franchise will be taking a more direct approach, as he will be handling the writing and drafting duties of the sequel manga from the next chapter onwards. The official Twitter account for the series announced that from chapter 52 of the series, which will be released on November 21 in Japan, Kishimoto will be directly writing and storyboarding for the series, taking over from the previous writer Kodachi, and will be departing the project. The future of the series will now be based on Kishimoto's writing and storyboarding, with Ikemoto still providing the illustration. It's not quite clear just yet whether or not this means Kishimoto's works start with chapter 52 of the series, or it will begin with the next. But it might be exciting for the fans to see the original franchise creator will be taking over the sequel series directly. What do you think about this, and what do you think that how Masashi Kishimoto is gonna turn this Boruto manga, which is going on really kind of into the boring path right now? So are you excited for Boruto's manga written by the original Naruto creator? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10, top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news just like this one, and theories also. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it. Like this video and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.